On Stocky Desk, open your help desk, click More, then choose Configure. From the Settings panel, hit Email Inbound. Now you'll see fields to enter an email or domain. Type the address you want to block, then select what you want to block, tickets, threads, or both. Each new help desk on Stocky Pro is created with a list of default emails and domains that are blocked. You can always clear the existing list and start fresh. To block an entire email group, try using a wildcard, like star@domainname.com. This blocks all emails from that domain or group in one go. Blacklist users who constantly spam or disrupt your team's workflow. You can always unlist them later once their issue is resolved. Note, this only blocks them from the help desk. It doesn't affect your email inbox. You can also block someone straight from a ticket. Open the ticket, and in the top right corner, click Blacklist. A pop-up shows up with the email and domain pre-filled. Pick what to block and hit Save. This sender is now blacklisted and added automatically to your main list in Configure Email Inbound. Done!